Hello everyone, welcome to Study with Soumya. In this video, let's cover the major rivers of India. If you want to remember the rivers, we have to make notes of its origin, mouth, that ending place, tributaries, passing state. If any protected area located in the river means we have to make note of it. Wetland, falls, glacier, projects related to the rivers. Then we have to divide the rivers like Eastern Ghats origin river, Western Ghats origin river, East flowing river, West flowing river, Himalayan rivers, peninsular rivers. By this way, we have to make note of these rivers. These are the major rivers in India. Let's see one by one. The river Indus has the origin from Bokarchu Glacier, passes through Ladakh in Indian states and drains into Arabian Sea. Next we will see Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra has the origin from Samayongdang Glacier in Tibet. In Tibet it is known as Yarlang Tasangpo. When it enters into India it is known as Brahmaputra. It passes through Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and drains into Bay of Bengal. Ganga river originates from Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. Alaknanda and Bhagirathi joins at Devaprayag. From Devaprayag it is known as Ganga. It originates from Uttarakhand, passes through UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and finally drains into Bay of Bengal. Narmada river originates from Narmada Kund from Madhya Pradesh. It moves to Maharashtra, Gujarat, then enters into Arabian Sea. Tapi region has the origin from Gwaligar Hill, that is Satpura mountain, and it passes through Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and finally drains into Arabian Sea. Mahi river originates from northern slope of Vindhyas. It starts from Madhya Pradesh, it moves north to Rajasthan, then comes down to Gujarat and finally drains into Arabian Sea. Next two rivers are Luni and Sabarmati. Both are from the Aravalli range. Luni from the western slope of Aravalli range, Sabarmati is from Aravalli range. Luni passes through Rajasthan and Gujarat. Sabarmati starts from Aravalli hill. It passes through Rajasthan, Gujarat and finally drains into Arabian Sea. Subarnarekha has the origin from Ranchi Plateau of Jharkhand. It passes through Jharkhand, West Bengal and enters into Odisha and drains into Bay of Bengal. Next river is Bamani. It originates from two rivers, that is South Koyal and Shank river. Both joins together and form Bamani. Bamani flows through Odisha and Jharkhand and enters into Bay of Bengal. Next river is Mahanadi. It starts from Shigava mountain, flows through Chhattisgarh, Odisha. After entering into Odisha, it splits into distributaries. Distributaries like Paika, Berupa, Chitratala. Next river is Godavari. It starts from Trimbakeshwar, that is in the western Ghats of Maharashtra. It flows through Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and drains into Bay of Bengal. Next river is Krishna. It originates from Mahabaleshwar in the western Ghats of Maharashtra. It flows through Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and drains into Bay of Bengal. Next river is Pennar. It originates from Nandi Hills, passes through Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh and enters into Bay of Bengal. Kaveri river has the origin from Talakaveri. It passes through Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry and finally drains into Bay of Bengal. The west flowing rivers of India are Indus, Luni, Sabarmati, Mahi, Narmada, Tapi, Mandovi, Zauri, Kali Nadi, Shravasti, Netravali, Bharatpula, Periyar and Pampa. These are the west flowing rivers. West flowing rivers drains into the Arabian Sea. Now let's see the east flowing rivers. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Subarnarekha, Bhamani, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Pennar, Palar, Ponnayar, Kaveri, Vaigai. These rivers drains into Bay of Bengal. Now let's learn the Indus left bank and right bank tributaries. Indus river originates from the Bokarchu glacier from the Tibet, passes through Ladakh region in Indian state. Its right bank tributaries are Shayuk, Nubra, Gilgit, Kabul and Gumal. Now we see the left bank tributaries. Jhelum originates from the Verinag, passes through Jammu Kashmir state. Then Chenab originates from the Baralacha Pass, passes through HP and Jammu Kashmir. Jhelum and Chenab joins at Trimu. Ravi river originates from Rohtang Pass. It passes through HP and joins Chenab at Sarai Sindhu. The Beas river has the origin from Rohtang Pass and it passes through HP. Finally, the Satluj river has the origin from Raksas Lake. It joins Beas at Harike. Finally, all these rivers joins at Panchnad. Now let's see the major projects on the river Indus and its tributaries. Bakranangal project is located on the river Satluj. Pong project is on the river Beas. Chamera project is on the river Ravi. Dulhasti project is located on river Chenab. Uri project, Dulhal project, both are in the river Jhelum. Let's learn the formation of river Ganga. We all know that Bhagirathi and Alaknanda joins together and forms Ganga. Before knowing the formation of Ganga, we should know about the Panchprayag. Alaknanda originates from the Satopan glacier. On its journey, it meets Dauli Ganga in the place called Vishnu Prayag. Then Alaknanda meets Nandagini in the place called Nandprayag. Pindar Ganga joins Alaknanda at Karnaprayag. From the Kedarnath, Mandagini flows and enters into Alaknanda at the place called Rudraprayag. Finally, the Bhagirathi originates from the Gangotri glacier, meets the Alaknanda at Devaprayag and forms the holy river Ganga. Ganga originates from the Uttarakhand, enters into UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Bangladesh and finally drains into Bay of Bengal. Now let's learn about the tributaries of river Ganga. We should know about its left bank tributary and right bank tributary. Major left bank tributary of river Ganga are Ramganga, Gomti, Gagra, Gantak, Kosi, Mahananda. Major right bank tributary of river Ganga are Yamuna, Son, Damodar. Ramganga originates from the Duttatoli range, passes through Uttarakhand, UP and meets Ganga. Gomti has the origin from the Gomatal, passes through Uttar Pradesh and meets river Ganga. Gagra river originates from the Mapchungo glacier, passes through UP, Bihar and joins river Ganga. Gantak river passes through UP, Bihar and meets river Ganga. Kosi has the origin from Tibet, passes through Bihar and joins Ganga. Kosi is known as the sorrow of Bihar because of its overflow. Mahananda originates from the Darjeeling hills. It passes through Bihar, West Bengal and meets river Ganga. These are the left bank tributaries of river Ganga. Now let's see right bank tributaries. Yamuna originates from the Yamunotri glacier, passes through Uttarakhand, UP and meets river Ganga. Son river originates from the Amarkand, passes through Chhattisgarh, UP, Jharkhand and finally meets Ganga at Bihar. Damodar river passes through Jharkhand, West Bengal, meets at Ganga. These are the tributaries of river Ganga. Now let's see the major projects on the tributaries of river Ganga. Tegri project is constructed on the river Bhagirathi. Tanakpur project on Kali river. Bansagar project on Son river. Damodar Valley project on Damodar river. Tegri project is located in Uttarakhand. Tanakpur project it is in UP. Bansagar project it is in Madhya Pradesh. Damodar Valley project is located in Jharkhand. Now let's see the protected areas along the river Ganga. Gangotri National Park, Govind National Park, Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve, Kedarnath Wildlife Sanctuary, Rajaji National Park, Jilmil Jil Conservation Reserve, Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary, Turtle Wildlife Sanctuary, Samaspur Wildlife Sanctuary, Surgatal Wildlife Sanctuary, Vikramashila Gangetic Dolphin Wildlife Sanctuary, Bimbant Wildlife Sanctuary, Udwa Lake Wildlife Sanctuary, Sundarban Biosphere Reserve, Betwada Hari Wildlife Sanctuary. Let's learn about Brahmaputra origin, their tributaries, passing states, and the protected areas along the river Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra river originates from the Samayundang glacier near the Manasarovar lake, Tibet. In Tibet, Brahmaputra is called as Yarlang Pasangpo. Now let's see the right bank tributaries. Right bank tributaries are Subansri, Kamang, Manas, Sankosi, and Teesta. Teesta's tributaries are Rangit and Rangpo. Now let's see the left bank tributaries of Brahmaputra. Dihang, Arshyang, Lohit, Dibang, Dhansri, Kopili. These are the major left bank and right bank tributaries of river Brahmaputra. Now let's learn the left bank and right bank tributaries passing states. Dihang, Lohit, Dibang originates from Arunachal Pradesh, passes through Assam and joins Brahmaputra. Dhansri starts from Nagaland, enters into Assam and joins Brahmaputra. Kopili has the origin from Meghalaya, enters Assam and joins Brahmaputra. Subansri has the origin from Tibet, enters into Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. Then Kamang has the origin from Tibet, enters into Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, finally merges with Brahmaputra. Manas starts from Bhutan, enters into Assam and joins Brahmaputra. Sankosi has the origin from Bhutan, enters into Assam and some parts of West Bengal and joins Brahmaputra. Teesta river originates from Sikkim, passes through West Bengal and finally joins the Brahmaputra. Now let's see the important protected areas along the river Brahmaputra. Dibru-Saikhowa National Park, Longapur Gippon Wildlife Sanctuary, Kaziranga National Park, Lakova Wildlife Sanctuary, Orang National Park, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. These are the important protected areas along the river Brahmaputra. First let's cover Krishna river system. Krishna river originates from the Mahabaleshwar region of Western Ghats. Its left bank tributaries are Bhima, Dindi, Haldia, Musi, Munneru. Its right bank tributaries are Koina, Panchganga, Doodganga, Ghatprabha, Malprabha, Tunga and Bhadra joins to form Tungabhadra. In Tungabhadra river, we have Tungabhadra reservoir. Now let's cover Godavari river system. Godavari river originates from Trimbakeshwar region of Western Ghats. Its left bank tributaries are Dudhna, Purna, Penganga, Varda, Vainganga. Penganga, Varda, Vainganga joins to form Pranhita. Then we have Indravati, Sabari. These are the left bank tributaries. Its right bank tributaries are Pravara, Manjira and Manayar. Pollavaram project is on the river Godavari. Godavari drains into Bay of Bengal. The river Kaveri originates from the Brahmagiri hills of Western Ghats. The place is known as Talakaveri. Its left bank tributaries are Hemavati, Shimsha, Arakavati. Its major right bank tributaries are Lakshmanatirtha, Kabini, Bhavani, Noyal, Amaravati. Grand Aniket was built on the river Kaveri, and the river Kaveri drains into Bay of Bengal. If you want to cover the entire UPSC syllabus, kindly follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you.